Introducing the newly upgraded Smart Water Vending Machine, now equipped with advanced features for a smarter, more convenient way to stay hydrated. With real-time online monitoring, owners can remotely track water sales, tank levels, and overall system status. It includes a wastewater drain tank to maintain internal cleanliness and system efficiency, and supports both automatic and manual dispensing. As users approach, the machine greets them with a friendly voice. Thirsty? What are you waiting for? Drop a coin and enjoy. After each dispense, a cheerful melody plays, turning hydration into a fun experience. Smart, refreshing, convenient.
Nauhaw ka? Inom na di. Ano ba nang ulat mo? Hulog dun.
Thank you for watching. Stay hydrated, stay refreshed, anytime, anywhere. Experience the future of drinking water with the Smart Water Vending Machine. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more smart innovations.